Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.
Let's continue watching this video. I want to show you my experiences and observations in the Sahara Desert and all my encounters during my excursions in the Sahara Desert. Please pay attention and listen attentively as we proceed.
Although Sahara Desert is said to be the harshest environment to live in the whole of the world, but as God may have it, I'm able to be here for my excursion, and I want to show you a lot of things here. There's a lot of observations. There's some things I observed here, some certain things I observed here. I want to show you. I want you guys to watch and see the other side of the Sahara Desert. Maybe you have never heard about it. Please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. I want to show you something. Are you seeing these places? This is a part of Sahara Desert where stone grows like trees. Can you see all the stones here? I'll be taking it side by side, places by places as I move around this place. Are you seeing this one? Are you seeing these places? There are some certain things you need to observe here. Most of these stones here, can you see how they are placed? This was never done by any human being. It was like this from time indefinite. Nature as it is. Some of these stones have stood here that has been here for millions of years. Some of them has been here for thousands of years. Are you seeing all these stones? Look up there. Can you see that big stones over there? Do you see how it is? These stones have been here from time indefinite. Are you seeing it? One speculating feature is here is that these stones actually in the northern part of Africa. These stones surrounded the whole of Africa. In the northern fringes. In the northern fringes, you will see all these stones as high as it is. It surrounded the whole of Western Africa. Well, I wonder how the Europeans managed to get into Africa. Does it mean that our soldiers then don't even have spies, something like that? These particular stones you are seeing here, cover the whole of Africa. It is like a fence, something like a fence to the fringes, northern fringes of West Africa, even up to the Libyan side, that is northern side of West Africa, and the western side of West Africa. The western side of West Africa is like a river, a big river covered it, and this northern fringes is covered by these great stones, these great rocks you are seeing here. Can you see that one? Can you see how stones scattered here? These stones, some of them are bigger than, as you can see here, because of my camera. My camera is not as big as that. These stones, are you seeing how they are? These stones are very smooth stones. They are granites and the schist and gneiss, which are part of igneous and metamorphic rocks. In fact, this is an igneous rock, very smooth rock. People use it to build houses and other things. If time permits, I would have shown you the kind of things. Okay, let me show you. Can you see these houses? How beautiful they are. This is what these stones are used for. In inside, these stones are red, white, and also, but in outside it is pure black. I see how black it is, but in inside this stone is white. Some are like a reddish color, some are gold color. Then the most speculating feature here, or something that is a surprise, that most of these places are gold reserve. You can see a lot of gold here. Yes, gold mine is not far from here. As I'm talking to you, gold mine is not far from here. Gold mine is not far from here. So maybe under these stones you can find gold, or something relating to that. You can find it here. Are you seeing how everywhere is? This is the kind of grass seen in the Sahara Desert. Can you see those grasses? Yes, this is the kind of grass that grows here. This is a desert. the driest part of the Sahara Desert. So people live here. Can you believe that people live here? You can see people's houses surrounding this place. People live here a lot. A lot of people live here. Yes, a lot of people live here. And you can see how beautiful these stones are. You may not know that these stones has gold in it. Some of these stones has gold underneath it. Can you see that upland there? That upland is the highlands of Sahara Desert. This highland surrounded the whole of West Africa. Yes, this highland surrounded the whole of West Africa. These stones you are seeing here are like friends to the Western African. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget to turn on the notification icon for a video like this, because I'll be publishing a lot of videos as I continue in my journey to the Sahara Desert. I'll be showing you a lot of things. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.